ordered this wig off of Amazon for $99. And let's see here. Let's see if I can get it open. When you open the box, it looks like this. Comes in a plastic bag. And it has a wig cap. And that's all that's in the box. All right. This wig is like an 8-inch wig. Because I wanted, I wanted it like a pixie cut. And so, it comes in a net. It's stuffed with paper. So, the wig is looking like this. It's soft hair. I'm gonna wash it. It don't smell the best, but I am gonna wash it. This is the netting. This is the inside of it. It's a 4 by. I think it's a 4 by 13. This is the way it looks on the inside. It has 2 combs in the front. It has 2 combs in the front. It has a comb in the back. It has the the things where you can adjust the band. And it also has the little netting in the back. It's pre-plucked, so I'm gonna put it on my hand so you can see. It's pre-plucked. I sort of like the way that the lining is. So, basically, we're gonna see what this wig does once I get it on. So this is the first part. If you would like to see how this wig turned out, just stay tuned. My goal is to take some of the weight off of the back here. We'll take some of the weight off of here, and I am going to feather this so that it'll still have its length, but I'll be able to feather it over into here, and I want this to go behind my ear like that. The only problem is, this is the way the wig came. I don't like my part on this side. I don't. And I want it to be a little deeper in. So what I am going to do is find out where I want my part, and I am going to work on making that part be where I want it to be. When you get to the back, you could go low, you can go, high, because it's going to be the front of your hair. And you can sweep it back. And you see how that hair is sticking out? You cut that off. And then it's going to still give you length to the front. I can see that that's it. I can see that that's it, guys. So guys, like I said, I'm about to go dry it. I'm gonna see if I can film it so you can see how I'm gonna dry it and, you know, put the curls in it, and we'll see from there. But we're gonna have a lot of fun with this unit. All right, guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and just stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are back at the drawing board. So this is what she's looking like. I'm happy to see, you know, how she's coming along. You will see your wig come to life once you put the little cuts in it and, you know, work with her. You will see her coming to life. And I absolutely see it. And like I said, this is the part that J's around my ear. I don't want it to be heavy. So really, I'm just thinning it. Because you don't want no harshness anywhere. You don't want heaviness anywhere. And this is where the hair will bunch up to, you know, to be behind your ear. Get underneath here where it's short at. If I put oil on it, it'll be very little oil. See me cut and curl this wig. I love this wig. I cannot stop playing with it, but like all good things must come to its finish. So I am about to retire for tonight, and I am about to retire and, you know, go to bed. Like I said, I love this wig. It is so comfortable. And the thing I really like about it the most is what I was telling you all about it in the beginning. If you want to wear it flat, you don't have to wear it curl. You can wear it flat, you know, and no one can tell how you cut it. You can wear it flat, okay? If you want to wear it with the feathers, okay, just pump your feathers back in there. And that's one of the things that I love, you know, about the cut. Okay, guys, I have my mannequin head here. I had fun playing with this wig and, you know, wearing it different ways, but now it's time for her to retire until tomorrow. Set her right back on my head the way I had her. Put her behind my ear. Puff some feathers in her. I'm ready to go. And that's why I don't want to put all that glue and stuff in my head. I don't want to put it in my hair. I don't want to put nothing down. If you feel like you want some more security, then just pin it down. Put some pins in it or reposition your combs or whatever. But like I said, I want to be able to take her off and put her back on without all the hassle. So guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. I hope you enjoyed this long and lengthy video today. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And leave me a comment below so that I'll know I will answer any questions that you have. This is beginner friendly, and stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Mwah.